So that was a lot of effort to get to this point here. I think I'll probably do that as a video on its own, to be honest. So we have got a couple of trees that come down in the lake here. They're brought down the other week by the snow. So I've got the boat out here so I can cut them up. Now this one here I can get to from the bank, but then you're dragging it out of the water. So if you're in the water, you can cut it from there. I think I should probably be concentrating on manoeuvring the boat rather than filming at the same time. Right, so I don't know how good the footage is going to be of this, because obviously the last thing I want to do is drop my camera in the lake here, but let's see how we get on. Right. Being an old sailboat, it's got this hole here for the mast, which is very useful because I can put the camera in that. Right, so I'm getting on okay, but I'm going to just quickly drop this lot on the bank over there, because I'm starting to struggle to move in the boat. So, right, let's get that. I'm sure you're already feeling seasick, so I'll put you on the dry land and I'll carry on from the boat. Okay, so that's that one down. I will come along with a big chainsaw later and trim these stumps back off, but I want to deal with clearing the bulk of it first. I was thinking about leaving this one, but I've changed my mind already and decided it's going, because that's just going to carry on growing in that direction. It's already on a weak rootstock, so that'll just come down later, so I might as well get it out now while it's small rather than when it gets bigger. But there's a silver birch there that's doing nicely, and behind it there's a hazel as well that's doing nicely, so that'll give them more light and they can grow instead. So let's get you back on the stand and we'll get this one down. Okay, so that's where the two trees were that I've just cut down, and a big pile of branches to clear now. This was the other storm damaged tree that we had. I'm thinking the best way to attack this is probably around the other side, so I'll go around there and put you on the stand. Okay, so that's that cut down right to the base, so I won't have to come back with the chainsaw with it this time. I was just having a quick look at this side while I was here. You can see with the bark peeling off it, a lot of this is also dead. But as it's still standing, I'm going to leave it for now. Get rid of that rubbish over there, and then if I've got time, I'll come back and get it at the end. If not, we'll get it another week. Right, let's go get rid of this rubbish. Okay, so I've used the mower to pull all those branches back up to the top. I've still got a bit of time, so there is another tree around the back of this island that I'm going to have a quick look at. This one's actually been down for years, so it'd be nice to get it crossed off the list, to be honest. Okay, so that's where the roots of it are, and it broke off the bank there. Most of it's underwater, and then it's laying on the actual island that side. We've also got a rhododendron that's taken over in this space as well, so I don't know how much of it I can actually take off, because cutting under the water is difficult. But I'll start with those bits over there and see how we get on. Let's put you on the island, I think. So unfortunately the camera battery died as soon as I put it on. But yeah, so I've managed to clear this. It wasn't the fairies, it was me. I've left that stump in the water there because I can't cut under the water there. There's two thick branches and I just can't get the angle from the boat. I'm thinking I'm going to have to put some waders on or get in to the water to do that. So I'm going to leave that for now, so I'm not liable to hit it with anything. But you can actually see where I've taken the weight off of it. It's gone up by 6 inches. In fact, probably more than that now anyway. So yeah, let's clear this rubbish, and I think that'll do me for today. So getting the boat into the water was relatively easy. Getting the boat out of the water, however, we'll see. Yeah, there we go. That's the 2 trees cleared. We're going to have to find a better way of manoeuvring the boat, because not only was it a pain in the backside to get it back on the trolley, to get it up to the top, the mower itself couldn't pull it up the hill, so I ended up getting a couple of guys from the cafe to give me a push. So yeah, but that's looking good. So I cleared that, and I cleared that tree over there, which had been bugging me for ages. So there is one more tree that was brought down by snow. So I'll do that in another video, because yeah, I am knackered now, so I am going to go home. So see you next time. It's only been 2 weeks since I had the last fire. I'm already at the stage I need another one. Oh well.